Welcome to the Park and Ride in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. C&J will start charging for parking in 2025. It's $4 a day or $8 a day for valet. You use fare gates like this, but there's a bus route from downtown, bus 40, pictured here, goes past the Pick and Pay, Portsmouth Hospital, and goes directly to the Park and Ride. And there's another bus, bus 42, which starts downtown, goes directly along I-95 to the Park and Ride. Now, if you'd like to take either of these buses, start at the Hanover Street Garage in downtown Portsmouth, and you have your choice, bus 40 and bus 42. Let's take a ride on bus 42.
Hey, how are you? Good. Thank you.
Now remember, bus 42 is the express bus and 40 is the local bus. 42 goes along the salt piles, and you're at the C&J pretty quickly.
Thank you.
The waiting area for the 40 and 42 is just a few steps away from where you disembark from the C&J. You can wait inside, but if you see either bus from the window, make sure you let the driver know that you want to take the 42 to get back to downtown.
Thank you.